Let me guess. You are watching this video because you are starting from zero. Maybe you just lost your job. Maybe you are stuck in your parents' house. Maybe your bank account is hovering dangerously close to negative, and you are staring at a calendar wondering if it is actually possible to make $100,000 in the next 365 days. If you search YouTube for this, you will find thousands of videos telling you to start a dropshipping store, buy a crypto coin, or fill out online surveys. I'm going to tell you the truth. 99% of that is garbage designed to steal the little money you have left. Making $100,000 in 1 year from absolute zero is not going to happen by accident. You cannot budget your way to wealth if your income is zero. You cannot invest in the S&P 500 if you have nothing to invest. To hit 6 figures in 12 months, you have to transition from a consumer to a hyper-efficient producer. You have to build a cash-flowing machine from thin air. My name is Zishan, and welcome back to the Wealth Operating System. Today, we are ignoring savings accounts and index funds. Today, we are focusing on pure revenue. I am going to give you the exact 4-phase architectural blueprint to go from unemployed and broke to generating your first $100,000 in exactly 365 days. This will be the hardest year of your life, but if you follow this code, it will also be the last time you ever worry about money. Let's build the system. The first thing we have to do is reprogram how you view your current situation. Society tells you that being jobless is a weakness. Financially, it is a crisis. But systematically, it is a massive hidden advantage. When a normal person has a 9-to-5 job, they are trading the best hours of their brain function for a fixed salary. By the time they get home, their mental battery is at 10%. They have no compute power left to build a business. You are jobless. That means your financial capital is zero, but your time capital is at 100%. You have 16 hours of unallocated compute power every single day. If you treat your unemployment like a vacation, watching Netflix and playing video games, you will stay broke. But if you treat your unemployment like a 14-hour-a-day startup, you can outwork people who have been in business for years. For the next 365 days, you do not have weekends. You do not have holidays. Your full-time job is executing the protocol I am about to show you. If you want to make $100,000 fast, you have to understand the math. $100,000 is exactly $8,333 per month. If you try to make $8,300 a month by selling a $20 product to normal consumers, you need to find over 400 new customers every single month. When you have no marketing budget and no audience, that is mathematically impossible. You must delete B2C, business to consumer, from your brain. You are going to use the B2B protocol, business to business. Businesses already have money. A local plumber, a real estate agent, or a software company is already making $50,000 to $500,000 a month. To them, spending $2,000 to solve a painful problem is absolutely nothing. It is a rounding error. To hit $8,333 a month, you do not need 400 customers. You only need 4 businesses paying you $2,000 a month, or 8 businesses paying you $1,000 a month. That's it. You just need 8 people on planet Earth to say yes to you. So what do you sell them? You sell them the only 2 things businesses actually care about: more time or more customers. Here are 3 zero-cost B2B services you can learn on YouTube in 72 hours. Short-form content editing and management. Businesses want to be on TikTok and Instagram Reels, but the owners are too busy. You edit their videos and post for them. B2B cold email lead generation. You scrape email lists and write cold emails to get your client more sales meetings. AI automation or setting. You manage their direct messages, reply to their leads, and book appointments on their calendar. Pick one. It doesn't matter which one. They all work. You are going to spend 14 hours a day for the next 2 weeks becoming obsessed with learning that specific skill. Now we hit the biggest roadblock: You have no money, no portfolio, and no credibility. If you email a business owner and say, "Hi, I am starting an agency, please pay me $1,000, they will delete your email in 1 second. You cannot ask for trust. You have to manufacture it using the Trojan Horse strategy. We also call this the proof of work pitch. Here is exactly how you get your first client this week. You do not send a resume. You do the work in advance, for free. Let's say you chose video editing. You go to Instagram, find a real estate agent in your city who is posting terrible, boring videos. You download 3 of their videos. You spend 4 hours editing them to look highly professional, adding captions, sound effects, and B-roll. Then you send them a direct message or an email that says this exact script. "Hey, Johan, I notice you are posting great advice, but your editing is hurting your reach. I am a video editor. I went ahead and completely remixed 3 of your videos for free. Here is the Google Drive link. You can post these right now, no strings attached. If you like the results, I'd love to take over your content so you can focus on selling houses. If not, keep the videos as a gift." This breaks the simulation. It is completely risk-free for them. You proved you have the skill before you ever asked for $1. If you send 10 of these custom proof of work pitches every single day, you will get your first paying client within 14 days. I guarantee it. It's just a numbers game. Let's look at the timeline of your 365 days. Month 1, you are broke. You learn the skill and you send 300 proof of work pitches. You land your first client for $1,000 a month. You are officially in business. Months 2 to 4, you over-deliver for that client. You work like a maniac to get them results. You use your testimonial to land 2 more clients. You are now making $3,000 a month. Here is where most people fail. They start making $3,000 a month and they immediately go buy a new iPhone or rent a better apartment. Do not touch the consumer bucket. You are still living like you are broke. Every dollar you make goes back into your survival or back into buying software to make your business faster. Months 5 to 8, you standardize your system. You create a pricing package. Instead of $1,000 a month, you now charge $1,500 because you have proof that you are good. You land 3 more clients. You are now at $7,500 a month. Months 9 to 12, you hit the tipping point. Your current clients are referring you to their friends. You are now a hyper-efficient machine. You sign your 6th or 7th client and suddenly you cross the $8,333 per month threshold. You just generated $100,000 in annualized revenue. You didn't need a massive loan. You didn't need to get lucky on a crypto coin. You just needed to weaponize your time, provide undeniable value to businesses, and refuse to quit. I am not going to sugarcoat this. The protocol I just gave you is simple, but it is not easy. You are going to face rejection. You are going to send 50 emails and get 0 replies. You are going to doubt yourself, and your friends will tell you to just go get a minimum wage job. But you have to ask yourself, what is the alternative? You can either suffer the pain of discipline for 365 days to build an asset that you own forever, or you can suffer the pain of financial anxiety for the next 40 years. The time is going to pass anyway. Exactly 1 year from today, you will either be staring at a 6-figure income, or you will be exactly where you are right now, watching another YouTube video trying to find the secret. There is no secret. There is only the system and the work required to run it. Stop watching videos. Pick your B2B skill. Start building your proof of work today. If this operating system changed your perspective, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below right now and tell me, which B2B skill are you going to commit to for the next 365 days? Log out of YouTube, get to work. I'll see you in the next update.